session. This is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of the returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so let's move on to the how after yesterday our market has been closed and how the European market and Asian US market has been traded. And you can see here, USA market has been traded on the lower side, and we'll explain it in the next slide. What is the main reason? And the European market is also closed on a negative note. And taking cues from there, Asian market is also closed on the negative side, and many of them closed more than 1.5% to 2%. And Gift Nifty is currently trading at 24,166 kind of level. So what happened yesterday was many of the especially two companies, Tesla and Google, they have reported their earnings yesterday, and the earnings were the disappointing for the especially for the tech stocks, especially like Nvidia and other semiconductor stocks. So Tesla has fell more than 12%, and that is a single day drop after Q2 results. And Alphabet is fell around, that is Google, that is fell around 5% after the weak signs of growth in the and increased expenditure, especially in the previous quarter. And apart from that, Chiplote and IBM have been great, but the Ford, the major car manufacturing company, that is fell around 12% also, and that is also because of disappointing earnings. And this week, especially, US has been going to report its second quarter GDP data, which is due today. So today night, it is going to be a big day for US market as well. So let's see what happens. And Nvidia is slips around 7% because of Microsoft and Apple. And currently crude, it's trading around 81 per barrel, but demand is weak. It's trading in the sideways range. And gold prices, we have seen some falling below around $2,380 per ounce. So that is regarding US market. And coming to the domestic market, this TV, its board approved a fundraising up to 1,000 crore via shares and bonds. And SBI has signed the non-binding memorandum of understanding worth of £750 as a joint investment with the UK's Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office. And RVNL has received the letter of acceptance from the South Eastern Railway for around 192 crore for a construction project. And Welspun Corp receives order from Middle East to supply LSAW pipes and bends. So after market has been closed, few companies, majority of the Nifty 50 companies we have tracked here, and they have reported the earnings. L&T net profit is up around 10%, and revenue is up around 15%. That's a decent earnings from L&T. But however, they have raised a concern about the few disappointing from the macroeconomic side. And Axis Bank has reported net profit up around 4%, and NII is up around 12%. That is also decent earnings from Axis Bank. And SBI Life have possessed a very good earnings, that is around 37% net profit growth. And net premium is up around 15% in the last quarter. And CMS Info net profit is up around 8%, and revenue is up around 17%. And Craftmat Automation net profit is down around 29%. However, revenues grew around 11%. And today, earnings are due from the major stocks like Techem, Nestle, Ashok Leyland, Glenmark, Emphasis, Laurus Lab, DLF, United Breweries, and the new IPO called Go Digit. So they are going to report its earnings today. So Nifty 50 VCR, it's currently stands around 0.75, and we can see that especially this week after the post budget, there is some sluggishness in the Nifty 50, and because of that, Nifty 50 is currently PCR stand at 0.75, and call OA is placed on 25,000 level and 24,800, and put OA is placed on 24,000 and 23,500. So let us move on to the chart. So how the chart has been placed for Nifty 50. So this is the Nifty 50 daily chart. So you can see over here Nifty 50 daily how it is performed, and you can see in the last especially from the July 19th onwards. So after that bearish engulfing candle, dark candle, it's currently last 3 days, it's trading around that level, that is around 24,500, 550 kind of level. So it is not able to top that level from that big candle on 19th of last Fridays. So also, if you see here, there is an upward sloping trend line, the upward sloping trend line, which is a last 1 month price action. So that is also breached that level, and on the budget session, it was trading in the uh, volatile manner. So currently, however, from 2 days, it's hovering around 21 DMA with strong support, and there is some bounce back also in yesterday's session from the lower level. So that is a very good sign. But however, if you see today's gap down opening, that is around 24,150 kind of level. So that comes around somewhere here. So if that 24,150, if it continuously continuously if it profit booking happens, so we might see 24,000 is the next level, which is on the budget day it has made around 24,050 kind of level. So we might see 24,000 kind of level in today's session. So it is going to be a volatile session for today. On the upper side, that this trend line, it has to break above this trend line right now, and also 24,500, 550 kind of level. So that is a very resistance level for this Nifty 50. And also, if today's session, if it closes below 21 DMA, so if in today's session, if there might be a gap down opening, and there might be a pullback also. So if it closes about 21 DMA, then well and good. But if it fails to hold that 21 DMA for in today's session or tomorrow's session, so we might see some more selling pressure in Nifty 50, and so it might come towards 24,000 and 23,700 kind of level in the coming session. So thank you for joining this session, and I would like to invite you all for today's evening session with Pawan and me, so, and also Rahi. So thank you for joining this session. Thank you, everyone.